Gasolina pa. Wala.
Basta na ko tubig.
Have you broken it yet?
Liter na ako.
Alamin eh!
I don't like these things. I tell you what, if this thing did anything, I would scream like a girl.
Oh, look at the airport! Oh. We can see the
Right.
whole city.
Babes, this way. Funny.
Siguro ba din balik-balik? Karaan na kayo ni kay hagbay pa nito na ni katuig.
Siya mamunday, uy.
Ala, karaan kayo.
Gani nunay mag-sit.
Babes, have a get your face in.
Ang bugi
No,
mo.
with Jolene and Manny at the same time. All girls look this way, basically. Gosh, dear, oh dear. Right.
Nagkamot akong smile, alin daw, yung utong na ko.
Maybe you want one of the old boss.
Oh, di ko siya kay karaan na ba nitong gisakyan.
Karaan? Bagong kulor.
Thing is, when you like this, you don't realise it's.
Saan po di walay pasahero?
Okay, ready?
Oh,
ready,
patubang na dito kuan. Takot na
uh,
nagpasahero. Kay kuan na sila siguro kasi mag-close na na.
Papuno ni mo kamera.
You see, so that's a little artificial island that they made there for the airport.
For the airport, yeah.
It's
a human-made.
Artificial, yeah. They make it. They make it. They also did the one for Kansai Airport, which is a huge airport. Look how big that island is.
Kanang airplane oh.
Dito kayo.
Kanang airplane.
Diha taning landing.
Well, the only problem we've got is tomorrow getting up really early and getting there on time. We'll be back in Cebu at 11 o'clock, 11:15.
And then all the way back to yeah.
Did you manage to look at any emails at all?
But I can do that later. But I
Maybe tonight.
didn't bring my computer.
Just have a look at it, 'cause I saw some.
Ang panindutas.
Yeah.
Visa.
Good green, but I think
Green
there's some
is
that's
here.
been answered already in the flow of questions. So.
Kana.
Yeah, I'll take a look tomorrow anyway.
Among bitin di ka
We're on holiday.
Pila
Yeah,
ka
really close
nakunda
now.
dire.
Some of them will be bookings for like November.
Awa, oh.
Sa na kapiya nagbitin na kana.
Naghanbiting.
Sino kana?
Ah, that's an easy word to remember. You know that one, don't you?
Ay, naghamit din
You know
din.
that one, bitten.
Yan kahon.
So just imagine you've been bitten by a snake. So bitten means snake. So bitten is an easy one to remember.
Bitin spurul boss.
Don't call me.
Sikan.
Hala, panaog na, Mim.
Ha? Manaog na ta.
Ala, mas grabe siya dahil.
Sa.
God, Janine, go on that side there. Babes, let Janine come over there for a second. You can all say that.
Mga bata, ay, Diyos ko, Lord.
Go on, Lucy, get over there. Man's face in the picture. One else face over. Right, yay. Look at these guys, these adventurers. Oh my goodness. That's exactly. I'm trying to take one with me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, are we all in?
Yeah, press the two arrows so that it will go wide.
No.
Again.
No, it's okay.
Your hand.
Are we all in?
Yes! Pwede mo ma-feel nga marang naog sa? No?
Dito ko.
Balu or malu?
Balo.
Palu. Wala nakasabot ito pag
Ako adi aday be. Wala na gi patay ni ron tabuhan ako is. Alay. Isa ko maguwang iglang.
Ronel, can you change places with
Dai, thank
Marissa?
you.
Come on, Marissa, over here. Quickly.
Paglaki video niya.
Susog mahulog mo ni. Bay bas. Gumus do.
Wala ba?
Oh, yeah.
You can't do that.
Dapat sa ito gusto na ka na dito. Para di gusto ko ya. Wala na ako dapat. Saan gusto niya? Kanila ko mula ko. Uli ko.
Gotcha.
Tama. Wala man siya ka-feel, mananaog
Gani, di ba? Pero di ay ito, paana na ta.
Hinay ra kay kuan baya, grabe baya kag kuanon. Hinay ra gid kay siya, hinay ra kay.
Wait till the car goes past.
Amo to siya kasadahan ti. To.
Saan sa kasadahan na?
Katong gikuan ba kana ganing atuunon gani na kanang motor magsakinan ka kana kasadahan. Una siya kana na kasadahan. Kani magbas ka dito o magbas. Adi ka ganda dito sa pila ka oras ma.
Why? If we take a picture, we don't need to breathe in.
Because otherwise it goes.
Utong sa picture ta. Hi! Mga chika
Chaps, I think we've had a very good time.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Very good.
Ronel, are you happy for your first trip abroad?
Yeah, super happy.
Are you sure? You don't look happy.
Kikapoy na. Wala.
Ikaw na.
He said boss that we look like a rich when we're in the
Nestor, gani boss, wala. Gani karing Hong Kong boss.
Yeah.
Oh, patay na Nestor. Dili na karing Hong Kong boss. Dili mayo.
Tato money ni store.
Oh, man. That's a money Nestor.
Nestor will say to you something like, hey, where's my uta?
Patay na kadaan toro eh.
Oh my goodness.
Na-close naman ako. Ay, close anoy. Hindi na ano.
So was there anything else?
Naging- Ayaw, nakuha na pa.
I think it was
Okay.
pretty much, yeah.
Nakuha na to ni mo? Okay,
Yeah, I think like
Sige, sige, continue na naman to. Kana na.
two,
Sige, sige.
two full
Nag-video na to
days
niya sa.
That's plenty, right? I
Nag-video to
always
niya
think, why do people spend
Picture
a
siguro.
week in Hong Kong? There's nothing else to do. Yeah, you've pretty well done it.
Ano ni, last na ni siguro.
Hala.
Last na
Is it,
ni.
is it, is it going this way? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Amo na niya dahil nakakapil na din.
Hala! This is it, pansit!
Level 3. Oh! Hold the bar, Madeline. That'll help. Let me tell you, if this thing falls, the bar's not going to help you.
Tawa, miniong,
This
wala
one
ka
was
ni
up?
shake one, miniong,
No.
tinas na. Ama, na, wala shake ka na.
Oh, shit.
Hala,
Oh,
Jesus.
yeah.
Wala.
Hello!
Dab harness man boss.
Nay, harness, pero mo na yung tinas.
Ay, nasi ka na kuan hikot. Na siya hikot. Versus maniato.
Wait for another one to come by. Ready, babes? Look this way, look this way. Yeah. Right.
Kare, sorry, way sakay.
Well, this has all been very nice.
Sorry. Way sakay lagi.
Wala na na siya. Okay, mag-pick up na nas mga kuan dito. Mag-pick up na nas babaw.
It's interesting.
Is
though, it's
Milpede
on
dito pa
the
yun.
actual thing starts on.
Nagyo. O
on
pa yun dyan
Airport
si
Island.
Milpede. Yun magsilbi.
Hindi ko silbi bitaw yun. Ako ano, hadlok siya na ba?
Strange, right? It actually
Kahit kung
starts on
nagbitin ako
Airport
noy,
Island.
nga mura kung
You see,
Di man
mamatay.
siya makapilo.
That airport
Kita.
is all on one island.
Ari lagi siya mahigda na lang siya. Bigin siya, mura lagi. Mabaho. Ari man. Higda sa silaw.
And you can tell that it's man-made, right? Because there's no hills on it.
yeah, that's all fine.
Talagsar ba ng tsamba?
Original, the
Una-una na.
Yeah.
Dili yo ano. Ging na bitaw na kung nili sa gigiaway may kuan niya.
That's almost like ziplining from
Yung lagi siya.
one island to
Yung lagi
another
ko.
in Palawan.
Bisa kaila ta. Iguli na to. Di na kita kaila.
Si boss.
Ayun, kuya.
Ito pa yun pala ka.
Oh my goodness! Do you see those two people? In that gondola.
Hala, daghanang isda
They're doing
oh.
some naughty shit.
Naswaki.
Asa? Oo. Daghang ko ano eh. Kana oyster.
Oh, can you see the oysters, babes?
Oo.
Maybe we should pop down there on our bunker boat.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull the thing and then we're gonna drop down.
Can you imagine? You have to climb on the roof. Actually, that's how to get out.
Di lang bay o
The
dagan.
doors are locked, right? You have to climb up there.
Naku, di
Get on the
ko
roof, and then you go down. That's how they rescue you.
Ganda.
Can you imagine?
Ah, di
how,
ay.
you know?
Nukus na lambay.
No, thank you.
Kasi
Yeah,
nga
you'd
nakunda
probably be
niya.
okay with me. I could never go on that roof. And it would be. And then if we have to get out, right? You know when this thing's if they break it, right, and it's stuck, The only way to get out is from there on the roof, right? And they take you out from the top. How do
Unahan.
you imagine? It's just been
See it.
It would be just terrible, right? I don't know who of us would go first. Probably Emily would go first, followed by Babes. Well, maybe, but me, I think me and Madeline would be last.
No.
I would not go on there for £1 million. Jolene, would you go out there to rescue yourself? If it's dangerous, you see, she would.
Why not?
If it's an emergency.
There's still
Right
another
here.
people in the other side. So.
We do not want to fall here either. Because look, if this thing falls now, even if the fall doesn't kill you, you'll drown.
Yeah.
We can squeeze.
Where would you squeeze through there? Not me anyway. I mean, nicely found.
We need to break this.
You'd have to smash that glass.
Yeah, and then you.
And I'm not too sure if we could. Could we? Could I get it out there?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
There should actually be like a thing to.
Of course there should. This has
Yeah.
all been designed terribly.
Yeah.
No one thought about us.
Yeah. They're just letting us die right now.
Yeah, this is crazy shit. Where's Melvin? Can you see him?
Yeah.
Dili pa diri.
Right there.
Tuko pa ni siya, muligo pa ni.
Did you text him, Madeline?
Oh yeah, that already writing.
And is he okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
What
Tuto
did he do?
pamantahan na.
Just there in the one pa nang ining usan.
Is it the mall?
Ito na.
Is he spending my money?
City gate there.
They stay there and talk sa Filipinos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I gave him extra just in case he had an emergency. Because you never know. He might panic and have to go back to the hotel.
We have to follow the.
Bloody cars.
Yeah.
Only second time.
Ano,
This is
siya?
third time.
Niligo ka na.
Iko ganahan kay mo kiti.
Bugat kayo mo diha.
Ang ilday pati na yung pamugong. Ay, lihok ni mo diha ka mo kiti. Tiki man. Kaya. Awon mo break pa man dita dinha din usa mo daw.
Oh, tapat to.
Dili kay siya hapog dito, dapit ba to na
yeah,
yung car na ba
like on
niya?
the back on the island.
Oh,
again.
bato na ilan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, what I was saying though is that only
Hantod sa orasan ni Putong.
6.
the fact that this terminus is on the airport I think is a bit weird.
Yeah.
Then you're back to this island.
Yeah.
Lantau. It's Lantau.
And then how
That's why we went on the tunnel, right? Tunnel goes right under this. It's amazing that they're building all these tunnels under the water, right?
Yeah.
May gani kay musubay tapos kanal sa sus mapula.
Oh, I know
Sa
what it
kaya
is.
mo tanong. Eh, siguro ako na.
Yeah.
What happened?
Look at the water. How nice and clear and crystal clear.
Great,
You
actually.
can drink it.
People actually died from falling into from poison.
Wala nakagyan nila yung kita
Ay,
sa airport
serious?
tayo, no? Hindi na, wala nakakita, no? Hindi makita? Wala, nakakita.
Ito araw dito to.
Luyo ta? Pero to, business dito. Pero ang makita na to, walang tama. Pero to, dito to, ang buwan to.
So those containers that they turn into these things, we can have those in the Philippines.
That's like a thing in Denmark, like in Copenhagen, because like they're struggling with
Housing.
yeah. So like cheap for like students and stuff because it's so expensive to live.
I lived in a caravan when I was great
Yeah.
in the woods.
Sa mo ta to, magtamang di sa glass mo, dili na ito kumagawa tao.
Maurang pintahan.
Dili ba, sana hindi mo ang slikin lalo. Mamatay na ta.
You wake up in the morning and the birds be walking on the
Tupay di
ground.
klaro.
Oh, that's nice.
Ako no, iba na choice, Loy.
My goodness. Oh yeah, you're right. That was only. This is only a stopping point.
Yeah.
Still.
We're waiting for the people to come down and we're next.
They're just
Is
checking.
that how it works?
Yes. Then this one. They're there and they're gonna go.
Oh, it's still not good. This thing keeps falling.
Jesus.
See, this is not nice. What is this happening?
I don't know, boss.
What can you tell me about this?
Oh, what did he do?
Once do where things get lost.
Janine,
Yes.
your father's an engineer. Tell me what's going on.
Sabi ko picture niya.
Yeah, the diving. They're diving, right?
They're diving.
Yeah.
They're fucking diving.
Ew.
What? Yeah, it's a dive boat. There's dive
Oh,
flags on
diving
it.
na, diving na.
What?
Which boat are they on?
Nice kurang.
Can you see them going in the water, or is it
Yeah.
just that boat?
Yeah, there's a divers there also. Yeah, there's a
Ew.
three divers.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, then may paddy. No, ano? Paddy.
Nice kurang, kuno boss.
What can they say there?
It's so cloudy, even the clouds.
You know what? Our guys are like complaining when it's the visibility is not good.
No. Imagine this.
Oh, the
They're
visibility
doing a special
is
tech dive where they just go like that.
Yan ang mga siguro nagmapansa.
Among sisi diri no? Ha?
Oh, nang noon kay Nanoy.
Oh.
Dire.
How is it, babes? Okay.
It's cute. It's nice.
What were we doing over that side?
It's diving.
Ew.
Show them the water.
Yeah, I can't believe that they don't mean that.
I think the visibility on that one.
They have nice. They have big crocodile man boss.
You were a crocodile. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Is that crocodile egg? It's a big crocodile egg, babe.
Oh, that one.
Huge crocodile egg.
Oh, the white thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Massive crocodile egg. Very troubled crocodile egg. Right. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe we've done that.
Yeah.
That's a proper experience.
That's very, very.
I may just enjoy it.
May swimming pool yan. Tuloy ayaw.
Ano no,
The girls are happy, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
Hope you had a pleasant journey. See you again soon.
Asa kay patupay. Asa kay patupay to.